An old man rides a bike to look for his missing son. Suddenly, he gets a luxury car. A rich man gets out of the luxury car. The old man feels very bad. The old man wants to wipe off the scratch on the luxury car. Finds it can't be wiped off. Then he apologizes to the rich man. The old man says he can compensate, but the rich man says he can't afford it. This scratch costs $30,000. The rich man doesn't notice. This old man is his own father. 20 years ago, the rich man was struggling with diabetes. His mother is very sad. To look for her son, she opens a Italian pancake shop because her son likes to eat it very much. This day, the rich man just passes by the shop. He buys a pancake. He tastes it. The taste of the pancake is exactly the same as that made by his mother. He realizes that the shop owner's love is being so high. An old man rides a bike to look for his missing son. Suddenly, he gets a luxury car. A rich man gets out of the this came on with a diamond just in random bought. It's probably nowhere not in the first seat. What they're even rarer island, what they need to fight islands with more people we see one burger. Hello? Please, no, this is too late for that. We already had no chance.
Yo, am I tripping? Or is that a kid? Hey, we can talk a little bit.
Great. Come over here. Teacher, someone lost their pencil. I'd like to return it. Someone forgot their pencil. So, I'm obligated to keep it. Makes sense.
Murot na mga badi. Alright.
A pencil.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
Teacher, someone lost